days we were doing the chapter thinker, believe and building. So what we discussed earlier also, that 6th century is the time of the turning point in the history of India. Turning point or religious upheaval. So what was the reason for that? You know, there was the emergence of thinkers. Okay, there was the emergence of new thinkers, as we have seen that there was emergence of Zarathustra in Iran, Confucius in China, Socrates, Plato, Aristotle, Greek. Okay, and then in India, okay, we have read that 6th century BC is the time of what? Social and political changes, cultural, social, political, economic changes. Okay, so here comes a very important name is the Jainism and Buddhism. Okay, the thinkers of Jainism and Buddhism who brings intellectual changes. Okay, and you can see changes in the traditions also, the religion also. A new religion here rise of new religion here is the Jainism and the Buddhism. Okay, so that we saw. Especially these changes took place in which area? In the Gangetic plain, especially in the Ganga region in North India. Places is Gangetic plain on the Ganga region in the North India. These changes took place in this region of India. Okay. So what we saw there, that we talked about, we try to understand the mysteries of the existence of the cosmic God of the universe and in the relation with human being. Okay, or the existence of the human being. So they try to understand, or they try to understand the mysteries of the existence and the relationship between human being and the cosmic world. So this was the time where you can see there was emergence of new town, new kingdom, and changes in the social, political, economic and the cultural changes were there, development was there. So that how they give understand the development that took places. When we talk about this thinker, they try to understand how this development was taking place in the society. Okay, so here comes that the pre-existing traditions we are talking about, the sacrificial traditions. So when we talk about the culture or when we talk about the civilization, it began from the IBC, and then we saw that there was a age of what we call the Vedic age. After that, the Vedic age, okay, in which we divide it into two ages. One is the, you can see Vedic, and then we call it the later Vedic age. When these traditions, these practices, it became more rigid. When the complex, you can see, it became more complex and rigid. So when we talk about this Vedic age, you know, you are much aware of the Vedas, 4 Vedas, Rigveda and Samveda, Yajurveda and Atharvaveda. So when we do Rigveda, it consists of both hymns. What is this hymn? It's a religious poem. जैसे हम मंत्र बोलते हैं, ठीक है? तो it consists of hymns. Okay, and when they chanted this hymn during the sacrifices. ठीक ही नहीं है? So हम देखते हैं that in Veda you can see it consists of hymn, and they chanted the hymn during the sacrifices. So earlier the sacrifices were the process was much easier, but later in the as you can see there was a collective sacrifice where the people collect together and do the sacrifices. Then later in the later Vedic age, when it become more complicated, as you have seen that puja part of the in this sacrifices, women were not supposed to sit with the man, and who did this puja part and what is the sacrifices is done by the head of the household. And then Yajnas were came, then Rasmaya, Ashwamedha, okay. So it became the process more complicated. And you can see this here comes that at first the sacrifices were performed collectively, then later you can see performed by the head of the household for the well-being of the domestic unit. So why they perform the sacrifices? और यज्ञ वगैरह क्यों करते थे? Sacrifices क्यों करते थे? They had their own wishes for their son, for the cattle, for money, for wealth, for health. They perform sacrifices. Okay. So here you can see some of the sacrifices Rasmaya Ashwamedha were performed by chief and king who depended on the Brahmins. Okay. So who had to perform the sacrifices were the Brahmins. तो यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट था जो सबसे ऊपर आ गया था, कौन सा था? ब्राह्मण. ठीक है, जैसे हमने धर्म सूत्र पढ़ा. ठीक है, the धर्म सूत्र was compiled by the Brahmins. They put their rules and regulation code of conduct that how they have to live their lives. Okay, according to that research revolution. Okay, so here comes a new question that comes. What is the new questions here? That you can see new many ideas found in the Upanishad. Upanishad क्या होता है? Okay. So what is this Upanishad? ऐसा होता है जो गुरु के निकट बैठ के ज्ञान प्राप्त करना. Okay, उससे near the guru or the teacher to earn the spiritual knowledge. Okay, and we talk about the religion as well as the philosophy. Okay, तो यहाँ पे हम क्या देखते हैं? That is show that the people were curious about. Now the people they were curious about what? About the life. जीवन क्या है? ठीक है, life after death. You can see rebirth. So now this type of question aroused that what is life after birth or the rebirth. There is a new concept. Okay. So here you can see that was this rebirth is due to the past action. कि आपने जो कर्म किए उसके अनुसार आपको पूर्व जन्म या आप दोबारा जन्म ले रहे हैं. ठीक है. Such issues were hotly debated. And here comes the thinkers. They were concerned with the understanding and expressing the nature of the ultimate reality. So here comes the thinkers. Okay. And now they start expressing the what is the ultimate reality. कि आप देखते हैं ultimate reality क्या है? वास्तविक सत्य क्या है? कि जन्म है, जन्म के बाद मृत्यु है. कहते हैं जो पैदा होता से मरना ये वास्तविक सत्य है. ठीक है. अब वो दोबारा जन्म लेगा तो कहते हैं वो पूर्व जन्म के जो कर्म है उसके साथ चले आते हैं. ठीक है. So they are now trying to expressing their thoughts. Okay. The nature of the ultimate reality. Then and other outside the Vedic tradition asked whether or not there was even a single ultimate reality. People also began, okay, they were began speculating on the significance of the sacrificial tradition. Even now they were also estimating that अगर हम इतने जैसे होता sacrificial tradition जो हमारा tradition है उसमें अब वो लोग सवाल उठाने लगे. और क्योंकि आप देखते हैं काफी जो कर्म कांड कैसा हो गया था, बहुत ज्यादा कहते हैं ब्रॉड हो चुका. ब्राह्मण है तो उसमें क्या था, अगर आप ऐसे आपके पास पैसे है तो आप करा सकते हो. मतलब एक तरह से कहने का ये मतलब है कि बहुत ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो गया था. और यहाँ पे भी आप देखते हैं कि जब हम कहते हैं कि किन को जैसे वुमेन्स है शुड दे आर नॉट सपोज्ड टू डू दिस वैदिक सैक्रिफाइसेस, दे वर बैन्ड, दे वर प्रोहिबिटेड. तो यहाँ पे रेस्ट्रिक्शन था, इट बिकम अ ब्रॉड एंड इट बिकम मोर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड एज हियर जो भी कुछ करवाते थे वो ब्राह्मण वर्चस्व के साथ ही काम होता था, पूजा पाठ या यज्ञ. ठीक है. तो अब यहाँ पे हम दूसरा देखते हैं डिबेट एंड डिस्कशन. सो एक डिबेट यहाँ पे हो गया. ठीक है. जो डिबेट किसकी हो गया? एज वी हैव ऑलरेडी टॉक अबाउट दैट दे वर अगेंस्ट द वैदिक ट्रेडिशंस. देखी नहीं है? पहले हमने देखा था कि दिस this Buddhism and Jainism they were against the Vedic tradition. एक डिबेट ये हो गया. दूसरा डिबेट कभी हमने देखा life after death, rebirth. Is the action is responsible that we would again take rebirth because of the action of our past? So these are the questions, okay, and they were hotly debated. And this issue we can see especially in the ये हमें बुद्धिस्ट टेक्स्ट में देखने को मिलता है. अरे समझ में दिस इश्यूज ऑफ व्हाटएवर द चाहे इसको हम क्या कहें, इसको हम फिलॉसफी कहते हैं, ठीक है, धर्म के ऊपर जो भी चर्चा है ज्यादातर हमें बौद्धिक टेक्स्ट में देखने को मिलता है. ठीक है, which mention as many as 64 sects or the school of thought. So how many sects were there? You can see 64 sects or the school of thought. Here he is saying that where the teachers, okay, how they preach or how they we can see propagate their ideas about the dharma, about the Buddhism teaching. So they travel place to place, okay, and trying to convince one another as well as the lay persons. What are the lay persons? For not having any specific knowledge about the philosophy, about the religion. ठीक है, तो उनके साथ आप देख रहे हैं they talk about this, they are having the debate or the discussion and then about the validity of the philosophy or the way they understood the world. अब हम किसी बात को भी रखते हैं तो तर्क के साथ रखते हैं, लॉजिक के साथ रखते हैं, है कि नहीं, जो सामने वाले को भी स्पष्ट हो जाए. इट शुड बी क्लियर टू द पर्सन. एज वी टीच यू वी गिव द एग्जांपल देयर सो दैट शुड बी क्लियर टू यू. सो दे आर कीपिंग देयर थॉट्स एंड द व्यू विथ वैलिडिटी, ओके, एंड देन यू कैन सी debate took place and the where the debate took place in Kutargashala, okay. So this debate it took place in Kutargashala, literally a hub with a pointed roof or in groves, okay, groves where traveling mendicants halted, okay. So ये किसी झोपड़ी जैसे नहीं था, ठीक है, वहाँ पे इसे क्या बोलते हैं, कुटाग्रशाला पे ये डिस्कशन होता था जहाँ पे जो साधु सन्यासी जो भी है संत है, रिलीजियस मॉन्क है, जो भी लोग आकर रहते थे, तो इस विषय पे इन विषयों पर चर्चा होती थी अबाउट द रिलीजन एंड अबाउट फिलॉसफी, ओके. इफ अ फिलॉसफर सक्सीडेड टू कन्विंस वन ऑफ हिज राइवल, ठीक है, तब मान लो दो जने हैं आपके बीच में तर्क हो रहा है किसी बात के ऊपर, एक जीत जाता है तो वो आपको क्या कर रहा है, उसने आपको कन्विंस कर दिया, तो आप उसकी बात से सहमत होंगे कि ना. अगर दूसरे का पॉइंट ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव है, यू कैप दिस पॉइंट स्ट्रांगली और सब में बातों को स्ट्रांगली रख दिया आपके आगे, यू विल बी मोर इंटरेस्ट और आप उसके साथ इन्फ्लुएंस होंगे, ठीक है. सेम विथ हियर आल्सो यू कैन सी इफ अ फिलॉसफर सक्सीडेड इन कन्विंसिंग वन ऑफ हिज राइवल, सो यू कैन सी फॉलोअर्स ऑफ द लेटर आल्सो बिकेम हिज डिसिपल, ठीक है. अब मान लो आप लोग बैठे हैं, आपने क्या कर, आपने जो बात किसी टॉपिक पे अपनी बात रखी, ग्रुप में बैठे हैं, ठीक है, आपने अपने राइवल को अब अपनी मतलब किसी को अपने फ्रेंड को अपनी बात रखी, शेयर की, और साथ में आप देखते हैं बहुत इंटरेस्ट होता है, लेकिन अगर दोनों वाले होंगे कि नहीं आपकी बात से प्रभावित, अगर आपकी बात में लॉजिक है और यू हैव केप्ट योर पॉइंट्स, यू हैव स्ट्रांगली कीप योर पॉइंट्स, ओके. सो here you can see so support for any particular sect could grow and shrink over. So here you can see now after that you will get the follower also and you will get the supporters. So here for many of these teachers including the Mahavir and the Buddha question the authority of the Buddha. So here comes, if we talk about the debate and the discussion is about the questioning of the what on the authority of the Veda, and they also emphasize individual agency, suggesting that men and women, okay, could seek to attain liberation. Then you can see from the trials and tribulation of the worldly. अगर हम कहते हैं मिला है, ठीक है, दोनों को मुक्ति मिल सकती है। और जो ये direct definition of what they are just suffering from this suffering or they are with the hardship, okay, or whatever their difficult experience of the worldly life, तो जो भी वो आपके कठिनाइयों से गुजरे उन सबसे उन्हें क्या हो सकता है, मुक्ति मिल सकता है, ठीक है। So here you can see this was in mark in contrast to the vertical position. So here come where we have seen individual existence was thought to be determined by his or her birth in a specific caste or gender. Okay, then this was a question. There was a contrast here again with the verticals where you can see कि जन्म से ही उनको प्रिविलेजेस मिल जाते हैं, ठीक है ना, वहाँ आपको विशेषाधिकार किससे, जन्म के साथ विद द कास्ट एंड जेंडर। यहाँ पे आप कहते हैं सब कर्म करो, चाहे पुरुष या महिला, सबको मुक्ति मिलेगी, उन्हें उनके दुखों से छुटकारा मिलेगा, ठीक है। This we discuss later. Then comes beyond worldly pleasure, the message of Mahabhuti. So when we talk about the basic philosophy of Jaina was already in existence in North India before the birth of Buddha. अगर हम जैन धर्म की बात करते हैं, ठीक है, जैन and the philosophy of Jaina, okay, it already exists before Mahavir, क्योंकि महावीर से पहले 23 तीर्थंकर थे और मेरे तीर्थंकर 23rd तीर्थंकर and महावीर was the 24th तीर्थंकर, okay। So only जैसे हो गया ना, मतलब हम बात करते हैं फिलॉसफी या फाइल अबाउट ट्रूथ, ठीक है, जैसे सत्य हो गया, ट्रूथ, नॉन वायलेंस हो गया, तो महावीर ने लास्ट में एक चीज जोड़ा, दैट वी कॉल सेलिब्रेसी, इट वाज एडेड, ओके। तो ऑलरेडी पहले से फिलॉसफी एक्सिस्टेड है कि नहीं है। तो यहाँ पे ये कहता है, जैसे हम नॉन पोजेशन की बात करते हैं, नॉन स्टीलिंग की बात करते हैं, अरे समझ में, हम यहाँ पे कह रहे हैं इफ यू टॉक अबाउट 5 goals, ओके, और द हियर ट्रूथ इज व्हाट, है ना। अगर हम बात करते हैं सत्य है, नॉन वायलेंस है, नॉन पोजेशन एंड नॉन स्टीलिंग, ठीक है। तो पांचवा क्या आ गया यहाँ पे, दैट वी कॉल selling, that was included by Mahabhuti. So the philosophy that existed earlier before Mahabhuti. So here you can see that in the 6th century BC, according to Jaina tradition, Mahavir was preceded by 23 other teachers. So 23 other teachers here are the 23 Tirthankars, okay, and Mahavir was the 24th. So which literally you can see teachers of Tirthankars, literally those who guide men and women across the river of the existence. Then here comes the most important idea in Jainism, that the entire world is animated. Okay, even stone, rocks and water have life. Animated here is the, कहते हैं ना, हर जीव कहते हैं प्राण है इसमें, चाहे वो जल है, जो वो है जैसे, ठीक है, और यहाँ पे देखते हैं इवन स्टोन, रॉक्स एंड वाटर दे हैव लाइफ, ठीक है। सो नॉन इंजरी टू लिविंग बीइंग्स, स्पेशली टू ह्यूमन, एनिमल्स, प्लांट्स एंड इंसेक्ट्स इज सेंट्रल टू जैना फिलॉसफी। सो व्हाट इज देयर इन द जैना फिलॉसफी इज नॉन इंजरी टू लिविंग बीइंग्स, ओके, स्पेशली टू ह्यूमन, animal, plants and insects. Then in fact the principle of ahimsa emphasized with Jaina. Ahimsa is the non-violence, okay. So here you can see that according to Jaina, teaching the cycle of birth and rebirth is shaped through karma. तो हम कहते हैं यहाँ पे birth and rebirth it depends on the karma or the karma or the action. It is decided by the karma and the action of the individual or the people, okay. अरे समझ में, तो यहाँ पे कहता है कि therefore monastic existence is a necessary condition of salvation. So Jaina monks and nuns took 5 vows to abstain from killing, stealing and lying, to observe celibacy and to attend